Hello, welcome back to another video here in episode 1 of the production. Thank you so much for joining us. We got ourselves a very good video for your lovely pleasure today. It's going to be something I'm working on in progress since when there are vending machines in town. Only this show has it, and it is called Reborn as a Vending Machine. I now wanted attention. I'm really enjoying the show so far, and I can't wait to see how things are going to line up next. Hope you enjoyed the vending video. Hope you enjoy. And we'll get things started immediately. Enjoy.
This program is made possible by
Rainforest Cafe, proud sponsor of PBS Kids, reminding you that reading and creative thinking are great ways to let your imagination run wild.
I'm gonna be like an apple tree. I'm gonna let all my branches run free. I'm gonna reach way up to the sun and open my arms for everyone. And like an apple is sweet, I'm gonna be so sweet. And like an apple shines in the sun.
Joy is a gift. This is the box it comes in.
Chuck E. Cheese's, proud supporter of PBS Kids, who know the first step to doing big things is dreaming big things. PBS Kids, where a kid can be a kid.
This program is also brought to you by the John D. and Catherine T. MacArthur Foundation. Additional funding provided by the National Endowment for the Humanities and by the Park Foundation, the William and Flora Hewlett Foundation,
And by the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. This program is also brought to you by...
This program was made possible by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting and by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.
Thank you so much for joining us in this video. If you have liked what you saw, please make sure to subscribe by sending out a mention as well as don't get turn notifications until I live from a video. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again in our next video. I thank you for watching. You have a nice day now.
Better